Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation. Today I will be presenting a stylistic analysis of Taylor Swift's song Anti-Hero and how this analysis can be connected to English as a foreign language of EFL learning. My name is Manda Ayulailia and this presentation is based on a study that explores how the language in popular music, especially songs with deep emotional and stylistic expression, can be us better understand language, teaching, and learning. Next, background and issues of EFL. To begin with, let's talk about the background and issues in EFL. In recent years, many teachers and researchers have turned to authentic materials to support language learning. One example of this material is popular songs. They are not only engaging and familiar to students, but also rich in real life language, cultures, and emotions. However, many EFL students struggle when they encounter figurative language such as metaphors, irony, or hyperbole, especially when these expressions carry deep emotional meanings. This challenge suggests that we need a different approach, one that does not only focus on grammar and vocabulary, but also helps students explore the affective and stylistic aspect of language. That where stylistic comes in. Stylistic allows us to analyze how language is used creatively and meaningfully in various texts, including songs. Next, please. The aims and focus of stylistic studies. The aims of this study is to examine how Taylor Swift used language stylistically in her song Anti-Hero. There are three main focuses. First, to analyze the style of language used in the lyrics. Second, to identify specific stylistic elements such as metaphor, repetition, parallelism, and deviation. And third, to assess how the analysis can contribute to EFL learning, especially in developing students' critical thinking and emotional literacy. Stylistic analysis enables learners to go beyond the surface meaning of words. It helps them understand how language choice reflects deeper meaning, feelings, and social context. Next slide. Theory and approach. This, this research is based on several case theories in stylistic, Geoffrey concept of foregrounding and deviation, which explain how unusual language use captures attention and creates literary effect. Mixed sort level of stylistic analysis, including lexical, syntax, and semantics level. Lakoff and Jensen conceptual metaphor theory, which explains how metaphors are rooted in our thought and experiences. Not just decorative language, the methodology used in descriptive qualitative research with a focus on stylistic analysis. That means we carefully observe and describe the linguistic features found in the lyrics and interpret their function and effects. Next slide is key finding. Next slide, please. Key findings. The analysis of Anti-Hero reveals that the song is rich with figurative language and structural deviation. Taylor Swift used stylistic tools to express inner conflict, guilt, insecurity, and a deep search for identify. For example, repetition in use to emphasize emotional turmoil. It's me, hi, I'm the problem, it's me. Metaphor like I'm the monster on the hill reflect how she sees herself as an outside or even a threat. There are deviations from normal grammar and sentence structure, which help express confusing instability or emotional intensity. These features are not just artistic, they are meaningful. They help listeners connect with the emotion being described and reflect on similar experiences in their own lives. Next slide, please. Implication for English language teaching. So what can we learn from this analysis for EFL learning? Firstly, song lyrics offer authentic language exposure. They include natural vocabulary, idioms, and emotional expression. Secondly, they encourage critical reading. Students can analyze lyrics like poetry, asking questions about meaning, symbolism, and emotion. Third, thirdly, using song in class can promote discuss, reflection, and empathy. Students can relate to the feeling in the song, share their interpretation, and even write their own response. This means that teaching with song doesn't only improve language skill, it also builds emotional intelligence and cultural awareness. And last slide is closing. To conclude, the study of stylistic gives us a powerful tool for EFL teaching. It breaks the gap between linguistic structure and emotional expression. By using song lyric like Anti-Hero, teacher can help students learn in more creative, critical, and meaningful way. This approach transforms the classroom in a space where students explore language not just communicate, but to feel, understand, and connect. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has shown how the world of pop music and the world of language learning can come together in exciting and powerful ways. Thank you, Ma'am Ais. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.